girl, PageeTurner, and I'm back with another video. All right, y'all, I'm finna get straight into this freaking video. Today, we will be doing something different and exciting. But before I get into this video, make sure you like y'all like crisp, clean pianos. Comment like you do every time somebody put their song on. Put your song on and subscribe because we family now. And you want to join the lit crew. You feel me? Let's go.
Money, I can be your best dream. I appear in your best dream.
All right, y'all. So before I get into this video, y'all already know this. There's something that I like to do anytime I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 new subscribers. I don't care. I like to invite them to the lit crew. So if you're new, welcome to the lit crew. We are so happy to have you. If you can't get LIT over here, you can't get lit nowhere because we get lit over here. All right, y'all, we finna get straight into this video. Today, I will be doing a tour my campus type of video because I wanted y'all to see where I spend the majority of my time now that I'm back on school grounds, all right? For most of you, you guys kind of know. If you didn't know, I am a senior in college right now. I'm on my last 2 semesters, and I currently study music business, entrepreneurship, and technology, which means I spend a lot of time in the music departments. And I just want to show y'all, like, what my school got going on, because honestly, I've not liked school my whole life, but, like, I love UArts. Like, I have a blast here. This is a great school. And so, yeah, let me get into the tour. Let me show y'all around, period. This is one of our first spaces for the students. We have about like 5 studios like that. This in the music department that students can rent out and, you know, do they finish their songs, or, you know, edit their songs. We have all of the DAWs, as in Pro Tool, Logic, Maxim SP. Every single one is probably loaded on a computer right there. And the students can use this space for completely free.
For free!
Leaving out of that space to the next space, these 2 rooms right here, this is the computer lab for just music majors. We can come here, use any computer at any time of the day that we please without reservation or anything like that. We just walk straight in there. And then this is the circuitry lab where we do most of our like building amps, things like that. All of those classes are held in that room. All right, walking down, we got rehearsal spaces left and right. Hold on, I'm gonna see if this door is open. I'm here like extra early. That's why most of the doors are like locked and stuff. But I will circle back if I don't get a specific space for y'all, because I want to show y'all everything. I want y'all to see everything. That's the point of this video. Okay, so this is a basic embed classroom. I'm gonna stand up from the front and I'm gonna show y'all it from the front of the room. So this is about your basic embed classroom. This is how majority of our classrooms look on this floor. We have a total of like 2 floors dedicated to embeds. Yeah, so this is just 1 floor. I am currently on the 10th floor. I will be moving. All the views are spectacular. That's just me. I love them. Well, not from this room. I'm looking at another building, but still pretty. But other rooms, definitely. Literally crying right now because I dropped my cranberry juice trying to show y'all a new space, but we dedicated to this process, so let's move on. Okay, so this room is locked, but you can pretty much see it. This is the electronic music studio. Just another space that we can use. Students mostly. We have a lot of classes in this space when we're trying to learn how to patch things and things like that. Okay, so these are just lockers and things like that for music majors, those who play instruments, and around that area. People are looking at me like I'm crazy. But that is okay. Now, this is one of the chiller spaces. This is our hang space. Yeah, where students can just chill, hang. We have about like so many spaces like this. And yay, I found an open one so I could show y'all. This is a rehearsal space for any band members, people in big bands, people just like playing piano or playing guitar or playing drums. Like I said, this is another space that you will reserve and rent out and, you know, have a ball. Rehearse your songs, do whatever you need to do. That's all happens in this space right here. Okay, quickly moving on. We have a few other rehearsal spaces like that. Some just dedicated to piano. Some has, wait. Yeah, I think I found an open one. All right, so like this room, This is a room for our singers, performers, or you know, stage performers. Hey, you stand in this mirror, you practice what you need to go over, and yeah. So this room is completely empty. Most of the times we just set our little piece up there, song, whatever we gotta do, and be like, hey, oh, hey, 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 oh. And basically you practice your song, your rap, your spoken word, whatever you gotta do. That room is for this, and all of the rooms are basically soundproof, so yeah. Another one of those spaces surrounded by a practice room and a production suite. This is a meeting room right here. All right, so this is the office suite where you would talk to the people in charge if you need be. Yeah, so the offices go all the way back down there, but I'm not gonna disturb them. So yeah, you come in here, wait here, and that's pretty much it. And we got instruments everywhere all the time. I love this screen. This is where you could figure out anybody who's performing this. Any shows going on, any shows students are putting on, and we got a lot of senior shows coming up for all of our seniors putting on their like final hurrah and getting up out of the school. Now, I'm gonna go around this corner to one of my spaces. Actually, we're gonna hit downstairs. Let's go downstairs. Going up, actually, and these are all of the departments that we have in this one building. We make up a lot of buildings, so this is just one. Lauren Wildman recording a space we love. Now, I'm gonna end on a big bang, so I ain't finna show y'all the studio just yet, but we're gonna come around to the other spaces on this floor. Let's see if this is open. So this is a hangout space, another screen to let you know. That's my boy Nico. Shout out to Nico. Y'all go stream his music, okay? This is just where you get your water, your bottles refilled, everything. This is another chill space where you can do your homework with another seat. And like I said, the screen changes, let you know what's going on at the time. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, most of the rooms, most of the floors, most of the everything is made of practice rooms. Because I mean, we're performance majors, so why wouldn't it be? So there's practice rooms left and right and up and down, piano studios, rehearsal rooms. Some of the rooms I showed you all like that, just rinse and repeat. They look pretty much the same on the 11th floor, so just so y'all can see, you know that I'm not lying, see? Pretty much the same on the 11th floor. Every practice room is created equal. All right, so this is one of our bigger classrooms, usually made for more students, really. But as you can still see, it's still built the same way. We give access to any instrument. Well, they give access to any instruments in any room so that if the teacher wants to pull out an example, we mostly do our music hearing classrooms in here. And anything, they got everything down to the bongos in the corner. Look. Yeah, I'm clearly not a drum major, but let's go and move on to the next space. Okay, guys, so this is the office where you come if you have any problems with our beautiful office assistants. Yeah, they're mostly always here to help if you need anything, but as you can see, we are a music school because there's music supplies everywhere. Oh, look, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. The big banger, the money maker is locked right now. So I am gonna circle back later so that y'all can see the room with the big boom. That's period. Like, look. Now, this is what I like to call Otis's space. Otis is our technician who helps you with any technical problems that you might be having. He's freaking great. But this is where any student can come, do their homework on the mini Macs available, print out their work, just sit and chill, talk to some friends, like study group type-ish. And yeah, so this is actually where I'm gonna end the tour for now because your girl got work to do and this homework not gonna do itself. But I'm definitely gonna circle back later when the studios and everything is open because, you know, y'all gotta see. See y'all later. Yep. Now, this is one of the spaces where you would most likely find me chilling and doing nothing. In between classes and things like that, this is where I like to go. This is actually where one of my classes are. So I'm gonna take y'all down here, down this road. This is the Creepy Hollow hallway. I call it the Creepy Hollow hallway, but it do have some chill spots. things like this. This is where it's like lo-fi. Usually the Christmas lights is on, but like I said, it's pretty early, so like nobody is here, okay? This, ladies and gentlemen, is our electronic music classroom. Gotta love it, gotta see it. Now, Philadelphia is a school that is surrounded by the city. We are put in the city. UArts is a school that's put in the city. So, like, look out of the window and boom. Living, breathing, city of ours. What's up, Philly? There's so many spaces in this school where you can, like, boom, like this, get good lighting. Or you can just look out at the city and just be like, man, this is pretty. Okay, let's keep moving. And one person that we can always count on being early and practicing early in the morning is our beautiful jazz majors. So I actually hear them playing. I'm gonna see if I can sneak in there and get a glimpse for y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, but most of like the jazz players are like crazy good at this school. Like really, really good. The professor will take you step by step on like what to do, how to do it and everything. And then you would go into the practice room and, you know, figure it out for yourself. But yeah, this is what this board is for. Got the whole hookup. I think it's a really nice setup.
Let's put an insert on this vibe track. So according to the Pro Tools session, this is track 8. So let's go up to inserts. We're going to go, not a plugin, we're going to go to the IO setup and we're going to grab insert 8. So what that's doing, Orion, it's going D to A, right? So it's going digital to analog out of the Orion into the line input of the board on channel 8. And then it's coming out of the direct output of channel 8 back into Orion 8. And so if I did this manually with patch cables, it would look like this. It would be coming out of 8 into line input 8, and then we're coming out of Orion direct output 8 into the Orion input 8. So it's creating a loop. It's coming, yeah. So.
All right, y'all, so when we walk in, basically this is the ensemble studio. You can fit full bands, recording solos up in here. We got a couple of things going on, but yeah, this is, if there was a room where it happens, this is kind of like the second one, and the main one is over there. We have a couple of studios, but like this is the one I take my recording class in. So, and then if you walk through here, so you got your ensemble up in there, and here is where we take classes. I literally just got out of class. Take classes in here. The engineer would sit here on the console doing a thing. We got the screen for classes and things like that, but also for engineers. Patchwork done over here. Yeah, so it's definitely a vibe. Hold on, I'm gonna put y'all down. I personally enjoy it. I'm getting back into it this semester. Like I said, I literally just got out of class. Like, everybody from class just walked out. So, yeah, we just got to get back in the swing of things. So, of course, some nights is crazy and, you know, the rooms are packed. But most of the time, you could get a good study or, like, you can get a good studio to work out of. And, yeah, everybody's, like, really welcoming and inviting and, like, creating and collaborating. It's big here. If you made it this far, guess what? You made it to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell. So when I post a video, you can tell. Make sure you hit that bell. Make sure you hit that bell. All right, y'all. It's PageeTurner. Let go.
Take it.